Welcome to GoodFirms. In this video, we'll walk you through how to list your software product on GoodFirms and boost your business visibility. Start by visiting goodfirms.co and clicking on the sign in button at the top right corner. You can sign up using LinkedIn or a Google account. If you choose to sign up via Google, we recommend that you sign up using your business official email address to ensure a seamless experience. For this demo, we will use Google. After completing the Google authentication, you will be redirected to your account's dashboard. Head over here and click on Organization, which brings us to this page where you can decide what action you want to take with your GoodFirms account. You can choose to submit a review for any business or product. If you're looking to list your business, you can also choose how you want your business to get listed. If you're a business offering services, please click on List Company under the Company Listing section. If you're a product business offering a product, please click on List Software under the Software Listing section. We will proceed with List Software. For the purpose of this video, let's check out Monday.com's product profile on GoodFirms. As you can see, the form has been divided into 8 sections: software information, description, features, media, destination URLs, pricing, integration and API, and support and training. Let's explore each one. Under the software information section, you can start by uploading your product logo and filling in details like your product name, tagline, website URL, vendor name, year of foundation, and headquarter location. Next, choose the categories that apply to your software and proceed by assigning focus values to each category. The total focus value should be 100. Proceed by selecting the countries and languages that your product supports. Please click on Select All if your product supports all the locations across the globe. Choose your target industries, company size, licensing model, deployment type, and supported devices. Finally, add the web-based URL, App Store and Play Store links if available, and product social media profiles. Click on Save and Next. Under the description section, add a brief description for our listing pages and a detailed description for your full profile. You can also add category-specific descriptions to better tailor your listing for all categories on which you are going to get listed on GoodFirms. Click on Save and Next. Under the Features section, you will see the list of features based on the categories that you have selected earlier. You can now select all the features that your software provides. And once you've done that, click on Save and Next. Under the Media section, start by adding a YouTube link of your product. This video should ideally be a short demo or an intro of your product. Next, we'll upload some snapshots of our product. While uploading the snapshots, please make sure that your snapshots file size should not exceed 1 MB. The recommended dimensions for your snapshot is 500 by 500, and you can add up to 5 snapshots under your profile. You can also upload category-specific snapshots. Once you've done that, click on Save and Next. Under Destination URL section, please add links to the pricing page, a trial or demo page, and other relevant URLs for each selected category. Next, click on Save and Next. Under the Pricing section, select the pricing type and the preferred currency, whether you offer a free version or a free trial. If you do offer a free trial, do mention the trial duration. Select the payment frequencies that you provide. If you have some information to give out regarding the pricing of your product, please mention it over here. If you have a pricing document at hand, you can also upload it over here. Next, you can list out plans and packages under your GoodForms profile. You can add several packages under your GoodForms profile. However, we recommend that you add up to 3 packages. For example, a starter package, a mid-range one, and an enterprise package. While adding a package, please make sure to specify the name, price, and supported features under each package. Click on Save and Next. Under the Integration and API section, please mention whether your software provides an open API. If you do provide an open API, please mention the API documentation link over here. Next, list all third-party products your software integrates with and click on Save and Next. Under the Support and Training section, choose all the support channels that you offer to your users. Let your users know if you provide 24/7 support and include your support email address. Then select training options that you provide. Under the Knowledge Base section, please include links to helpful support pages from your website. Click Save and Publish to submit your product profile. You can now see a confirmation message indicating that your listing has been submitted and is under review. GoodForms typically reviews and activates profile within 3 business days. If you have any questions, click on Help Center from the main menu. You will be redirected to our Help Center page where you can browse all the available forms and choose a form that best represents your query. That's it. Your product journey with GoodForms has officially begun. Thank you for joining us. Wishing you great visibility and success.